Alright, good morning everyone. What day is it?
13th.
What day of the week is it?
Sunday. Yeah.
It's Sunday. We woke up in Vegas. We didn't mean to wake up in Vegas, but we're in Vegas and now we have to go to Big Sur because you guys voted on it and we didn't know, but it's an 8.5 hour drive, which will take us probably
9.5 or 10 hours.
maybe 10 or 12 hours. And we also want to meet a new friend.
Come check out Tyler.
What up?
What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
How did you find us?
Honestly, just checked out your guys' channel and inspired me to go to Thailand. Actually, I'm going in June. So.
Oh, that's sick.
We linked up with him through Snapchat, so if you guys are watching, get on Snapchat, follow Sunday Fun Days, and then link up with us in the moment.
Seriously, they respond back super fast.
That's Parker. Parker responds back super
Great,
fast.
now I gotta respond fast.
Have you slept yet?
No.
What time is it?
It's like 10.
Oh
It's
my
11.
gosh, Josh, it's 11 and Josh is still whipping up our edit.
we came
You're
home,
killing it, man.
We came home and it was like
3:30.
3:30 because the whatever time changed.
Oh yeah.
That changed. and
Everyone
we
will
were
be
like,
okay with us. All right, we gotta get the shit going. Goodbye.
Tyler here saw our Snapchat that we were on the strip, said he had to come meet up with us. He was working until 8 a.m. this morning, came and met up with us right after his shift, I guess, by the time we woke up. Now we're going to breakfast with him and talking about life.
Where are we going to breakfast?
We'll go to the breakfast buffet.
Oh.
Breakfast buffet, yeah.
Breakfast buffet.
Yeah.
Everybody wins.
Thank you.
Breakfast of champions. You guys happy?
All you can eat buffet. We're happy.
This is how Parker eats all of his food. I think you missed a spot there, dude.
You need all the yellow to be gone and orange.
Pretty much endless options at an all-you-can-eat buffet, but we didn't realize you could get gummy bears. Are you excited for the gummies? Oh, he did it, folks. He did it. So a big kudos to Riker today. He took the initiative and is now draining the black water. Look at those gloves.
I know, they came in so handy.
They're good. Currently no. Let's get closer.
It just finished. That's it.
Gross.
So now how do we get the rest out?
You want to just run water?
Looking good?
It doesn't look good. I'm just doing it because I'm being nice. And I know that you would do it. Nobody wants to do it. So I just wanted to get it done without anyone knowing. But now everyone knows.
Look, man, we all appreciate you doing it. Thank you, Riker, for draining the poo-poo.
Oh, the tube is full still.
How is it full?
It's because everyone keeps poo-pooing. Josh.
He's wearing gloves and you're not, just touching it.
Yeah, well, it's not gonna pass through.
There's a hole
Good.
right here. Pull this thing and hopefully it does something.
Well, it sounds like it's doing something.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Hold on.
Good. Oh, that smells.
Oh god, it's this is the stuff come out. Nope. Nothing. Nope. Oh god, this is the least enjoyable slinky toy I've ever touched. Now what? I don't know. All the way down. Don't touch me with your gloves. Sorry. Get it all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. All the way down.
Yes.
All the way down to the end, and then grab on here and get that the last bit out, and then flip the bag upside down and get all the thingy in.
Don't let it flick on you, Pat.
I rammed it in a bit. Oh, no, that's the worst thing that ever happened. Oh god.
That's actually working.
Parker, get like a twist or something. I appreciate you.
It's cool, man.
Okay, that's good.
Hey!
We're filming each other!
You want to be in our video? Yeah! Alright. Yeah, our fans voted. So we're going to Big Sur today. And then I think we're driving down the coast after that. Yes. And you guys?
We're heading back to LA.
Okay,
We'll be there tomorrow night.
We'll be in LA tomorrow.
This is the reading of mean or funny YouTube comments with High on Life. Erica Zupsnis says, things keep going wrong with Trailer Swift because you guys named it Trailer Swift. It's punishment.
Duct tape it. Duct tape it.
Yeah, I'm not going into it. You're right. That's right.
That's a
No way,
point, a
Erica.
touchy subject.
Screw you, Erica.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't
whoa.
point there. Point there.
Screw you,
that's
Erica. I'm just joking.
Okay,
Erica, you're awesome. How do you say that? Nikara Nikita?
That is how you say it.
This one's from Nikara Nikita. I kind of like you guys. I mean, you are somehow inspiring and, fresh.
That's nice. That's a nice thing to say. That's really
Yeah, that's a compliment, I think.
yeah.
Jacob Cabrera says, literally 10 places to avoid while visiting Thailand so you don't find people like this.
Oh, damn, Jacob.
Don't make me like
That
this.
one hurt.
Yeah.
Roasted.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Ouch.
We've come a long way, though. Come on. We were degenerates when we started traveling. Well, we still are, but we've
come a long way.
evolved. You know? We've evolved. We've matured a lot.
Marina Pro.
Marina Pro writes, we're a bra guys. Great place to hide money.
Marina, that is a great place to hide
I don't
money.
have any money though, so.
Lots of bras though. Tons of bras we've got.
Where are we at?
I think
Techno Rave?
Yeah, let's hear about Techno Rave.
This is a personal fave. Techno Rave writes, your body is so natural and juicy that the sexual excitement has skyrocketed. All right.
Natural and juicy.
Bruce Lee writes, damn, Parker, back at it again with the swole back.
I do have a swole back once in a while. That's fair.
Yeah.
Brian Husted, how to save 10K in a year? Dump your girlfriend. Yeah, right?
You're really starting a fire there.
Kate's Gap. Lots of shirtlessness in this day's vlog. Yeah.
Yeah, it happens, I guess. Yeah. Also, we're in warmer climates now, so it's like...
Should we take our shirts off now?
Yeah, Michael Johnson writes, what is this kilometer you speak of? In America, it's miles.
Yeah, kilometer. Crazy. Kilometer,
Canada.
kilometer, miles. That's where it's at.
That's how we do it.
So we got one here from John Tech.
John.
John says, why that kind of underwear? Boxer brief. Okay, just brief. But thong? Yeah, I don't have a good answer for that. I mean, we had a man thong.
Homeless millionaire, wasn't it?
So same video. This one is from Nero Zoomim. I can't explain why I'm gay, but after watching this video, I can tell that I'm really, really gay. There is nothing wrong.
That
are
your
compliments.
video
These are compliments,
solidified their happiness with their decision, and so you... Thank you.
Awab Al-Mahi writes, this guy has the most annoying voice a human has ever possessed. Referring to?
Homeless millionaire, I think.
You wouldn't happen to be able to let me use a phone call real quick?
We got a lot
Lots
of
of
of fun comments from that one. That was you scroll through the comments on that and pick your poison.
No Jack says, if your goal is to show how bad of an actor you are, bravo. Yeah, that's not our
Boom.
goal, but
It's, friend.
None of us
Don't
have acting
act.
careers, do we?
Hold on. Are you subscribed to us? Because you should be. Why don't you just take a minute right now, scroll your mouse down and hit the subscribe button. Right now. We'll wait. Just do it. Thank you. All right, let's continue.
Okay.
Harrison Hood. He says, guys. Crazy Horse Avatar says, this is why you should never judge the power of China. China will destroy the USA if all hell break loose.
And he's threatening you. He's threatening America, actually. Mark King says,
Oh, this is a good one.
I'm from Germany. Cool, dude.
He is, isn't he? I bet you he
Good
is.
for you. I'm in America.
Sailing 7777 writes,
Go extreme! Everything you must do must be extreme! Scream extreme!
all caps.
All caps. That was caps. We could go more extreme right now on this video.
I don't think we should.
Okay, you're right. We won't. Okay.
Okay, everyone.
I want to hear about Bumzilla 85.
Okay. Bumzilla85 writes, a Lemurian broke into my nan's shed and... No, man, I can't do this one.
Okay, Riker, you want to do this one?
No, we're on to the next one.
All right, so this one here is from Lou Signa. This is the single biggest crock of hippie bullshit I've ever seen. And I was born in the 60s.
Is that for Burning Man?
Damn,
Yeah,
that's
that's from Burning Man.
that's
Of
Burning
course
Man.
it is.
Damn, Lou. That's hatred. Oh.
Oh, this is a good one. Felix Cartel writes, when are you guys gonna get real jobs?
Hey, isn't he a DJ?
Felix!
Rose Singer! That one's for you.
Final one is from XX Red
Evie.
Red Evie XX.
And what does it say?
It's very straight and to the point. It just says, I hate you. We love
beautiful.
you. So
I hate you. Wow, that's
I kind of like it.
potent.
it's pure, you know.
It's passionate.
You know what?
That's how
It's straight to the point. It's concise. So I think we're gonna cut it off here. That's enough for today. But we had a great time having some laughs over the nice messages you've left for us. So if you'd like to leave more really unique ones, they might make the next video that we do. Also, let us know if you liked this style of video because we haven't done one of these before.
No.
So hit us up. Comment section below. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the likes. To do it, the poll.
Do the poll right there. You know, next time we drive for 12 hours a day, we'll probably do a video like this again. Well, it is currently 3:40 in the morning on Monday. We have been driving for over 12 hours today. This is the final stretch getting into Big Sur, or Monterey. We've been going all the way from Vegas, doubling back. This is the current state of affairs. Just getting ourselves to Walmart, about 18 minutes away or so.
Oh god, that bright light is just what I need right now.
Yeah, buddy, you're finishing off strong. This is the most driving we've done in one day since we started this trip.
Yes. I looked at the forecast. It's supposed to be just teachy.
That's what we want. We want the California coast experience. You guys want to get up at 9?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm willing to bet we're all gonna sleep in now. And on that note, good night, because we're loopy and tired.
Yo, there we go. Yo!
Thank you!
We got a crowd.
Yeah, hand-eye coordination. Yeah. Put the tongue out. Back in, tongue out.
Yo, he's still going.
Oh my gosh. Russia, this is...
Oh.
Microphone Fruit Loop drop.
This is your finishing move.
Alright, gentlemen.
Oh, he starts off a bit shifty. He's good.
Shifty.
Shifty. He's got a big. Ooh, look at that. Ooh,
Oh,
look at his
nice,
face.
nice. He's got it. He's got
delay,
it.
The catch and the delay. That's good. I like that. Okay.
He
he's
wins.
Crushed. Boom.
Yo, and he caught it
And
all.
let's see the microphone drop.
All three.